Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the yellow colors in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here it usually opens up in the gallery. And from the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After we open up the picture, from the bottom bar, we have to find color and tap on it. Here in color, we have to go into mix. Here in mix, we have to find the yellows. And here we actually have multiple options. We can edit the hue by moving the slider to the left or the right. And then the yellows are going to become either more orange or more green, depending on which side we move them. Then we can edit the saturation of these colors, how rich or how poor the color is, let's say. And then we can edit the luminance, how dark or how light the yellows are in our image. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.